you remember when you walked away? When all of our embers became ashes of grey. But I've been going tired again and time again. I hope that you will see my heart too. But you don't remember me like I remember you. Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. And if I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried. Do you remember when you said you'd stay? When all of our memories kept us feeling okay. Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. And if I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. Missing you for a long time. I remember the first time we met. Your smile was a light I can't forget. The way you looked, so soft and bright, made me feel like everything's alright. In your eyes I saw a world unknown. With every word I felt less alone. The touch of your hand, so warm and kind. I never thought I'd feel this way inside. First love so pure and true, a feeling so strong, it's me and you. Every moment feels like a dream. In your arms, somewhere I wanna be. First love will never let it go. Together we'll make our hearts glow. Days go by, but it feels the same. Every whisper of your name.